Do you work with animals in your research or education? Then you have a huge responsibility because the well-being of lab animals is essential. That's why it's important and required that you remain knowledgeable and competent. Your organization has the following guidelines for that. Knowledgeable. Are you active in an animal experiment as a caregiver, animal technician or researcher? You need to be well informed, even if you don't work directly with animals. You're considered knowledgeable when you're up to date on all relevant information. How do you stay up to date? You could follow a course, write an article, or participate in a meeting, for example. What and how much you need to do depends on your specific tasks. You'll keep track of your progress in a portfolio. Your lifelong learning coordinator will review it. And at the start of every year, you can extend your animal welfare body registration for 3 years. Only if you are registered, you can be involved in animal experiments. Competent. Are you going to handle a lab animal? For example, to administer medication or clean a cage? Then you need to be considered competent as well. And that requires training. You'll train step by step until you grow increasingly independent. Your supervisor and an assessor will decide when you're sufficiently competent and can work independently. What now? Do you already have a lot of knowledge and experience with animal experiments? Then you don't need to follow a whole lot of courses straight away. But it is important to document what you know and are competent in, and how you plan to continue learning. Your lifelong learning coordinator and the Utrecht Animal Welfare Body can help. It's great that you're taking part, because every animal has the right to be used and cared for by knowledgeable and competent professionals. Want to learn more? Visit the Animal Welfare Body website, ivd-utrecht.nl/en.